They wondered why that watch was over. Buried for days. Somebody said he'll soon be here. The world on his way. Heard there unto him, and then she died. If you have been here, you could have healed him, you'd still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you've waited so long. But this way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great when these 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus, have mercy, show me the way. But you said, Lord, you don't understand. It's hunger for peace. The gravestone was rolled back, and Jesus cried. Not just comfort, then somebody say, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. If I told the Lord I need you now, but he is not up here. Friend, don't be discouraged.